Going on, guys? This is our image upscaler framework program. Hardware ready to be implemented into hardware and ready to be upgraded, improved, developed, and modified. Here's the code. Takes into account our compression tech. You should know that by now. You should get familiar with it, our compression tech. It's a very nice tech. And our color key tech. To make it very lightweight. Under 6 kilobytes. To run. The the time it takes to upscale an image is milliseconds. Because it's so small. It's like 10 milliseconds, 11 milliseconds. Pause the video and copy the code, study the code. I heard what my style is open source. That's what the AI says. Because of what I do, I post the source code. I propose them as projects people can do. I leave an empty canvas. I leave an empty canvas for programmers and coders to modify and upgrade and customize it. The reason why it says particle is because of our compression tech. Get familiar with our compression tech. Refer to that. You'll understand. That's it. Let's run the program. Oh, 18 milliseconds to draw a high definition, a very high definition image on screen. How fast that is that's real-time upscaling. Upscaling an image. This is basic framework software. You could customize it. You could upscale normal images to high definition. Upscaling means getting a low resolution picture and upscaling it to high definition. That's what upscaling is. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. This is a Python project you can do. Python coding project you can do for beginner and advanced alike. Just check that. TKINTER. TKINTER. See you guys next time.